Beluqede nje.
Umshini wakini wona mawuceda ukhala kanjani sound?
Enhle ku. Hayi, dala lo mshini wakini yazi mina ngithi ithoya ekhalayo.
Hayi baba, uyakutshela yini yangithola sengicedile. Uzothatha impahla sengicedile. Yangithola. Ay baba. Ay, sup guys, we're back again with another video, another reaction, another banger. You know it's your boy William Tag
And Midnight Crisis. Sibuyile with another video, another reaction, another
banger.
busy. So vandaag spelen cheetahs busted. What's he need? Cheating inside the club. Yes, the club.
Wenzani wena cute emaklub? Hey,
Sithumela ama-rose.
bafamba moye.
Let's get to it.
They won't give me phethe umdala ngiphethe naba pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe but uphuza amanzi. Baby funa ukungibeka pawns. They won't give me phethe umdala ngiphethe naba pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe but uphuza amanzi. Baby funa ukungibeka pawns. They won't give me phethe umdala ngiphethe naba pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe but uphuza amanzi. Baby funa ukungibeka pawns. They won't give me ngiphethe umdala ngiphethe naba pawns. I'm the trap king of
CMTV. Hey yo, boom.
So you umboni Let's go guys.
Yes, umntwana.
Umshayelani.
No.
Unikhuphile umuntu wami. Ntoni wena?
Yeah.
So, what it is, everybody? What's good? I'm the real Nizi Nasmik, the MC with the Hennessy Skimsa has, and this is CMTV SA. You are tuned into Cheetahs Busted. Zuzo Kala Zoshiba Zotetema. Zuzo Bagula speaker again. Namhlanje we are in the streets of K1. We definitely want to see how this one is going, and I'm definitely not alone. Get today, three musketeers. I've got Nelza, I've got Black Sinner, and I've got the one, the only, Lamini. Zuzo Kala Zoshiba Zotetema Bagula speaker. It does not end here. So guys, we are going to be meeting Usiwe, and she's definitely going to tell us a little bit about herself and about the relationship. We'll see. Stay tuned. I'm going to be calling Usiwe just to let her know that we've arrived.
Hello?
Hi sweetie, unjani?
Ndiyaphila mntanami.
Ndiyaphila, uthatha noNizi ne?
Okay.
Yes, benifuna ukuxelela uba we are close. Are you around?
Okay. Yes, I'm around.
Okay, no problem. We'll see you now.
I'm outside.
Dog, close.
Usathi close.
La ngaphandle phuma.
Uzofuna ukufona futhi athi I'm outside.
Now.
Okay.
Sharp.
Thank you.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Siyakhala ke namhlanje. Hi, see you.
Okay, Black.
Bayikhiphi
Bayibonile ukuthi la cameraman yangishaya
ayingithola.
ihlezi khona.
Vele nami.
Hey, unjani mntase? Good. You look gorgeous. How are you doing?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good. My name is Nizi.
Kamala Mdingisiwe.
See you and nice to meet you. You called us as CMTV, Cheetahs Busted, and we are here for you.
Oh, and in final lessons ngoba umuntu wami, he's been distant lately and I feel like he ghosted me because xa ndifuna sidibane akafuni. Xa ndifuna ndiye kokwabo akafuni ndize kokwabo, and we didn't even spend even time together, not even my birthday ke sana. And
Okay.
he knows how much I take relationships serious. And
Okay. Yeah. Now this is a ghosting situation.
yeah, I feel
And
like I've been ghosted.
Dampa lenja.
Ufonela into yami.
Manje baba ghostile ulanda ama-camera. Move on. Ngoba nami idala ngibaghosta kube bangizele nama-camera.
Kudala.
Idala ngighosta man.
I've been ghosted.
Okay, and how long have you been together?
We've been together for 1 year, 6 months.
So it's been 1 year, and how long did he ghost you for?
It's been 2 months now.
2 months.
2 months from after my level in time. You stress and nas.
Yuzana, so do you think ba ghosted because maybe something happened in your relationship okanye guwe or mchelisile, like what happened?
Chomi.
Uyayibona i-paste
Uyayibona. Zoom zoom na.
iwe le week. Ayihambi nane-skin color.
Kumwe wathanda ukuthi bana he feels like he can't like afford me, and okade masho ukuthi bana ndase ndifuna unjalo, like I love you for who you are, not what you can give me. So
Yeah.
he thinks I'm too expensive, yabo.
Are you too expensive?
Not really, but
Okay.
at least, you know.
Okay.
he's-
Uthi.
Yeah, so I think he felt threatened okanye intimidated by being in a relationship nam.
Okay, and then uyasebenza yini?
Uyabamba bahamba amatorho chom, and bendimaintain ngoba besisi right, yabo.
Oh, ebe maintainwa nguwe.
I used to maintain him ngoba bekufuna ucela imali wathi uzokwazi uzonibona, so I gave him money.
Okay, and then xa ucinga usithi yena wena uya maintain, and it don't you think maybe that's because why he ghosted you?
Hayi chom, chani imali yami kaloku.
Ewe kaloku it's your money. But naye his pride as a man.
Kodwa chom kodwa bendimnika ikhadi nje nangabona ngasiba akuthengi yena.
Okay, and then you guys have been together for 1 year, 6 months. He ghosted you for 2 months. How does that make you feel?
Chom, I wanna know where I stand. Because I feel like we won't take along, so akafuna undiluza for things that I do for him, yabo. So ndifuna yazi bandi maybe siyeke basayeka mntakababa.
Okay, so uke axelela uba maybe he was in a relationship before okanye.
No be mamakhe, but uthi bohlukana.
So uno baby mama.
Yes.
And then
uthi bohlukana baya co-parent.
xa ungafumani ba basase together uzawuthini?
Chom akasoze kaloku nonela.
Abakuchithela nomunye.
Hayi, baby mama izingeni.
Because bekethe kalifuni njena.
So but andithi badibaniswa ngumntana. So xa uzothi akasoze, what do you mean?
Chom uthi akamthandi kaloku.
And then waqonda uba uthanda wena.
Uthe uthanda mna because yabona.
Bakuphekile wena. Bakufrayile. Bakufrayile nawe wafrayeka wavutha.
Ngibona uhleli.
So has to choose bisana for no icinga yayazi ntomazana.
Okay, dali. Jonga ke ne into ezawuyenza ngoku ne sawuhamba simkhangela simfumane side sibona uba uno baby mama okanye una somebody else. Uzawuthini xa ungafumanisi uba uno baby mama?
Chomi imali ndisipende kulaa mfana yiyo ndibamanisayo.
Uzayifuna back?
Chomi has to give it back kaloku sana kakhulu.
Athi akaphangeli nje.
Chomi why ke ezodlala ngam ndimthanda.
Uyamthanda wena, uyamthanda manyana?
Ndiyamthanda Chomi kakhulu.
Okay.
Ndenzela zona.
Sambe siyokhangela umuntu wakho guys. Asambeni. Asambeni. Because you can't be ghosted for 2 months and then no birthday, no next.
Makaliteli.
Biphelile. Kuba ulethanga ama-camera bezodlula ne-5 years.
Kahle kahle.
Nothing, not even Valentine. Nobody rose ke qabi. Uthi
Next.
appreciated baby.
Uyakuphambanela. Sambe siyokhangela umuntu wakho. Ngangena sandla zami.
Eish. Manje sasipika sifike
Yo, Hasha. So guys, we are going to call Umjita Gakel.
Nimfonelelana. Kanti amakota wayenza ngespan.
Ujulukile lo sisi. Ujulukile or uyashayina. Ivaseline.
And then uzokhuluma naye. Ne? There you go. And then you put it on speaker.
Dlamini.
Hayi basli.
Ugcwele nasemlomeni.
Hello?
Hi, Isabel unjani?
Njani?
Unjani?
La.
Siyabona.
Ndishap. Ungathi usemoyeni uphi?
Ngisendlini ngaphandle.
Oh, uhleli nabani?
Cap. Endlini ngaphandle.
Awazi usalaphi.
Uhleli nabani? Who are you with?
Silikiwani.
Oh, cela ukubona wethu late.
Okay, no problem. What time?
Mhlawumbe usiza usendlini?
Yeah.
Can I see you now?
Let's do it late.
Late.
Let's do it later.
Uthe uhleli nje masendlini?
Yeah, but besenginamaplani for manje.
Uyapi? Take me along.
What's up?
Take me along kaloku.
Yini agent?
Yeah, ngiyakukhumbula.
So I think you'll have to wait longer.
Yo. Uzandithanda?
Ngiyakuthanda, come on.
How come back?
No,
Khamba.
just checking.
How?
Okay, so uyasikhuluma ke ngizokufonela late.
Sharp.
Sure. Is it
Like the way he's so chilled, like he's like how ngisakuthanda, but he's also very suspicious.
suspicious? Angisho ngithi
Ngizongimamela, so yeah.
bethe sohlangana late, so I think suspicious if
Ngifuna
ukumbonelana.
Accept
Okay.
wena.
Guys, Azkal. Shaimoto boy. Yeah, no, your man is just something else. Yeah, no, we smooth talker. So you're against about
judge
maintaining.
ke sana xa sifika pha. I judge.
So okay, does he look the same way? He speaks.
Yeah, no. So that's why I say judges.
Okay, so you know
then
the-
I question the decisions. Because ngwana ngiketsetsa tsotle.
Kosa lady speaking Sesotho. So you guys have been tight. What makes your relationship tight? Or what is it that made your relationship tight at that time?
I think us being together, spending most of the time together, and he's been through a lot, man. So he's bathini like sahaslisha. So life has been a bit of rough, you know, sharing dreams together.
Okay, dreams together. Asambe nisibona nama dreams together. Shaimoto boy. Yo, I can hear the way that you speak about your man.
He doesn't look apart, but
Okay. Awuzumthanda wedwa because there's a baby mama involved. Maybe not.
Bayekile be mama. Nangoku ke kokwa. Bayisana nikosho. Huh?
Sawibona ke. So we should be arriving soon.
Nekhala le.
I hope he really is at home.
I'm so nervous. I don't think he's at home.
Because Amatete have been following him.
So
We are going to his location.
Should I be worried?
You'll tell me when we get there. I don't know, that's your man. Should you be worried?
I'm nervous now.
I see. Let's get there. So Sophia Manji, we're about to get there, guys, and we just hope it's not what it is before it was what it was. Shaimoto boy! You can't wait, ne?
Not far from his home. So if you get is good.
Siyafika. The location shows us basi sifutshane ngoku.
Yeah, sure, right.
Labo ngishilo bathanda nje ukuthi babheke bahlele emotweni.
Yes, we are here. Right, we are here.
Hi. Look! Kusabela lo. Chomi hey. Ngisabela ukuba. Ngicela uvula chomi sibuka.
You see, asambeni guys, let's go.
Red-handed, red-handed, right?
So you umbonile umuntu wakho. Let's go guys.
No. Uyamsmilela.
Sabelo. Ayisabe.
Ufuna nani?
Hello. Yebo, unjani? Ngiyaphila.
Kanti unemali yokuza kwinto ezinhle.
Unjani baby girl?
Siyaphila.
Ngiyaphila. Umuntu wami unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila.
Umantsha mani.
Yes, umntwana.
Ungishayelani.
Igama lakho ngibala.
No.
Ufuna ntoni abantwana? Ntoni engakwenzela yona? Ntoni engakwenzela yona? Into engakwenzela yona?
Explain abudi.
Nakazi next lo bamfrayile.
Ungikhuphile umuntu wami besizozichilela
Kuwe. Sabelo kanti bangathanda uyandithanda bra just ask ngokuba ngiyamthanda.
Ntoni wena?
Yeah.
Ngaqhathi kwathanda
Dlamini vimba ngathi awenzi next.
Yabona uthi uzikhumbuza.
Sebenza ukhala.
So, Sandozam, are you fighting for your man or are you fighting for what? What's happening?
Kuthene ezonzisela amakamera.
Nguyi baby mama lo?
Kuye mntase.
Ah, baby mama.
How?
Sabelo. Ngicela asibakhipheni. Nelsa Bongs. Kamini asibakhipheni.
Co-parenting le.
Asibakhipheni asambe sithanda.
Co-parenting.
Sure.
Yena bekacabanga ukuthi uhlukanisile kanti
Hayi.
Co-parenting le.
Sabelo indaba zakho butoni zingaka kanti?
Co-parenting le
Baby anika.
You've been together. How long? Ujolo no Sabelo okanye umuntu kaSabelo?
2 years.
It's been 2 years.
2 years, yes.
And then umntaneni una how old?
Una 6 months.
Una 6 months.
Because that's when we clap I was not there.
Sabelo.
Relax.
Ngathi uxakekile kanje.
for 2 years lo mntana una 6 months.
Yeah. And labo bahlangane 1 year.
Bamdlele lo.
Umuntu umkhaza wathanda umuntu wakho. Relax. Isikhwaza lo mntana. Wathanda khwaza bafunda.
So bowazi ukuthi uyakujolela uSabelo
Mazi mina.
ubungazi.
Andazi.
Siwe
Umuntu wami ndedwa.
uyinto wakho lona.
Oh le ishelile yathi ngihlukene no baby mama kanti hayi. Uyachitha.
Kanti oghost time.
Yes, uSabelo akhangaza ku birthday yami. Khanga ne Valentine.
Sabelo.
Ubone kwalapho bawuthanda sidenge.
Sabelo.
Mami labe ngingamaplate.
Ngathi awukwazi ukukhuluma nje uyathuthumela kwenzakalani abafazi
Ngicela ngimtshela.
Nama Valentine sondeni. Yabona Valentine. Uzayenza imlo kanti ngandima ngoma that bills.
Uma wena uyangikhulumela.
Odlamini yasaba ukubaba lama boobs.
Abazingeni namhlanje.
Isaba ukubamba ama boobs. Bamba Dlamini man.
uyazi ukuthi umuntu wakho bayamsupport umuntu wakho azozusupporta wena
Hayi andiyazi. Kalo sisibhangi osayithi imali no baby.
Cavi yamiyeka uDlamini.
So wile.
Imali no baby. Sayi.
so okay Sabelo
Ngenathi.
Kubela ke imali.
Sabelo ukwazi from wena ne
Usandithanda.
i situation lozo
Udlamini welcome iyakunyathembana na once.
Ngoba
Lana hayi.
kanjani
No.
Usandithanda Sabelo. Yabona njakazi yakho.
Ngiyamthanda.
maru uyamghosta
Thanda mina.
Thanda.
Mara ntoni?
Ile drama yakho le mina.
Ngiyaqala nozodibana nawe senze izinto Sabelo. Ngiyakwenza you fuck up mntana. Ngiyaqalela. I forgive you because umthandi. Ngiyakhoparenta.
Sabela uthini ungumntana wami nawe? Uthini ungumntana ethu? Uthini?
Sabelo
Mina inibeka phi
love
lona?
bite la eka baby mama noma eka wena
2 months ago ngidibana nomfana.
Yeah, blush. Ayina nezinyo le.
2 months out.
2 months na 2 years.
Ukhondoda umuntu. Ulala namadoda abantu akuthanda.
Baby mama.
Uthe uthanda msabelo khetha.
You love bite yakho.
Jonga sana ngoba ngibhekisha thetha uyandithanda okanye ungithanda.
Okay.
Ubusizophila andizogoya.
Uthulile uxakekile uxoxa indaba zakho.
Sabelo khetha ngifuna ukhetha ngasikhathi. I deserve it.
So usiwe simemfe no baby. Share no baby ama vela. And then xa nilapha nina nibabili umntwana
Shada nomama umntana.
Ukhuluma nosisi.
Yabo.
Kodwa wena
Lo yahlupha vele mhlalalo vele uzithandela ukula ngithanda idrama.
Boyaphi mawuzumshela? Uyachita.
Sebasha wena baby.
Yeah, mshaye vele.
Uyachita.
Mshaye. Awu. Kube bamfambise emoyeni ngathi. Bekumele afambe emoyeni lo muntu.
Waqala ixesha lakhe. Bamnqile lo mnqunqa wabe kumnandi. Khona mayizile naye Tom. Khona mayizile naye.
ughost omunye umntwana and uyakusupporta ikenza ukuthi ufila kanjani as a man
nofumana kuye
ufila kanjani as a man ughost omunye umntwana and uyakusupporta ukunika imali
bendinika imali Tom ngo bendinika imali
awazi ukuthi uthini
kanti uzosile
mistake makwenzakaleni kanti eKatlehong niyashare amatotolozi
lo uthatha abantu babantu lo
ufike usabelo nami wamzalela namxolela angizogoya ke sanisabelo ndifuna phosho
love bite ke sisi no love
because I'm thinking you're talking about stamp I'm like
what's stamp wayadika ufuna nathi ke ngokho
so ibaby mama yakho iXhosa na wahamba wayeshata wayothola
nini iXhosa beqala ukujula umXhosa ngami
is it
bayathanda amaXhosa thetha sabelo
Tshela ngebaby mama nje
bathi kaloku
umXhosa uDom ngathi angumXhosa
ndizogoya sana isidima
udoma ungumXhosa
Marudom vele.
Mthetho uyakhetha ukhetha mina okangikhetha yena
so sehlisa umntana bamdala
so sabelo ke mamela ke baba uyenzile ichoice yakho
angiyenzile ichoice yami
usala no baby mama
baby mama wami
lo ghostile
hayi uzathola umuntu uzabona
not even sorry kasayelo okay moshe xesha lakho baza qonga mangamadoda ndifuna
baby mama uproud ukuthi indoda yakho baby yenza izinto nomunye umuntu
usazo-explaina xa lo ukhala kanti usazo-explaina I'm glad
ba ukhethe wena
yes
yenza yazi uba unenza kanje kokwenu
omunye umntana phela bekangazinakini ukuthi wena uhlalaphi
kwaziwa mna kowabe bomna ndiyakwazi kwabena akakwazi
so wena njengoba uyibaby mama kwaziwa wena and everything ngicumba nawe uzaba ngicumba akunamuntu osakuthathela umuntu nawe futhi
hayi ndiyayibona ngoko leyo kusala
akafaki ne-makeup akakwazi nokwenza ishiya for that matter
uyabona undithanda nge-natural beauty yami wena
sabelo umangele phutha yazi uyangistress
Wena ne-week pasting.
siyibonanga
your look stresses me out ukuthi ungathi udidekile ukuthi awazi ukuthi ukhetha
ngicela ukuhamba naye asikisi
okay sinshi sinshi
uyanyela
are you going to be safe
when the right
usafe
as long lower la
yeah
so ahambe siwe
Oh, biza camera for nothing.
for ukuthi bazo yo expose wena bakushiye
ithini into izasithethe mntasa
uthe literally he's done like literally
so uzibonele ke ngokuba
ixesha langaka spend invested kule relationship I don't understand so you understand it from now
so okay
tayela hayi tanyayibo kunini ngiyiteka yini lezo sila cela ngisitshele
ngaqonda ba unefraza ngoku and I understand ba theni
but now and it makes
but
sense
it makes sense
because oko umntana uyagula oko sebecela imali umntana amagqi amayeza yo
qeda kuba
So kuba nama-boobs vele. Bese akazi isizwe lesiyaba umkhaba obani.
bona ne-medical aid bra
so ngibani ongena medical aid usabelo
kaloku beke amayeza uthenga ulandini
amayeza umntana
umntana ya
So ngoku uzibonele bambile bobabini. Into zayithini ke le?
Sidima sami chomi like literally I'm shaking.
Into enizenza yapha kahle hontsho. So ubone ke uba awuzofanelanga uba ujole nomuntu unyaka wonke then.
Sekhilisana.
Usehlishile kanti.
Kaloku like
Awazi noba uthini na? Askis. I'm so sorry. But anyways, you did what you had to do and you saw everything that happened. Is that right? Umjola did.
Umjola ngithi. Nizi. Wena une-episode yahola manje.
Bangabantwana ndifuna eba-right on my class on my calibre actually jonga ndamvuma.
But umbonile nawe ubutshile uba akakwazi uku-afforda but you saw nawe uzibonele.
Sometimes kaloku uthando alikho materialistic for
Nihambe lapha ku-club eat the balcony.
yabo mna.
Sambe ndakubeka endlini. Ndakubeka endlini. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. Nibonile ke indaba zaseKatlehong ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ama baby mama. We will always win.
Nina vele nithole episode
That was what her statement was. Ukuthi, as a baby mama, I'll always win. But that's how we do it. This is CMTV SA, and this was a Cheetahs Busted. Danko is the place to be. Asap. Whoops.
Dlamini wenzanga next. Ngidisappointa. Wamafambisa ngale out emoyeni once.
Asikumemezanga.
Le out kube bathe ifambe emoyeni once.
Yazi ubumambe ngafuna ukwa. Fongowa.
Ah.
Dlamini.
Angazi ngizothina like. Nasesithanda abantu abafamba emoyeni.
Makungafamba emoyeni kuyakhiya. Dlamini kuka wonke umuntu noma
ngayenzanga next umbambe nje. Ukuthi wayo bashite labo yithu.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona ukubamba amachele. Bambi out ke.
Untani yasaba ukubamba lo yama if isandla sithi vele ngeke.
It's high.
Akeke.
Ngizingeni namhlanje ngikhumbula usijinja.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
comment.
Senza Kwasani. Another video.
Another bang.
Sonbona kusasa. We out.
Yes sir. Imele ngihambe futhi.
I'm impressed.